Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my first fall DIY for 2018. Yay! We're excited over here. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you two ways that you could create a candle holder using Dollar Tree items. And the candle holders I'm going to be showing you today are going to be one traditional and one it's going to be on the glam side. So if you're traditional, this could also work for you, and it's gonna make your table escape this fall look so much better. Trust me, and it's gonna look like you spent a bunch of money, but you didn't. So that's the good part about this DIY. I'm gonna be incorporating this on my fall table escape this year, so I figure I share with you guys what I'm doing. So here's the DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, because you don't want to miss any of my fall videos this year. Guys, like I said, everything you see for this DIY came from the Dollar Tree. You can find this at the Dollar Tree, and if you don't have a Dollar Tree, check your local Walmart. They will have items similar to this, and you can recreate something. If you guys recreate any of my DIY this year, please tag me on your post so I could see them and share them via Instagram. So use the hashtag ALLTHINGSFALL if you want me to see it. Tag me, don't forget. Anyways, the first step that I did for this DIY was, of course, remove the stem and also measure where my candle is gonna go. And then it's pretty self-explanatory. You could just follow the steps. All I did was hot glue the leaves, hot glue the flower and the rhinestones, and you guys, you have a candle holder. Easy as that. So when I was done with the candle holder, I realized that I only had added one leaf on the back of the maple leaves, and I decided to add another one to give it more of a pop and give it more of a, you know, standout kind of thing. Anyways, this is how the DIY turned out. I thought it's so cute, and it will go perfect if you're using traditional colors this year. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know what was your favorite, if you're part of my glam fam or my traditional fam. So guys, my camera decided to die in the process of recording the glam version of the DIY, but trust me, it's the same step. The only difference is that the pumpkin was spray painted silver, as you can see here. I also used white flowers instead of the orange ones, and I added glitter to the leaves instead of leaving them the original fall color. That's the only difference. Everything pretty much it's self-explanatory, as you can see here in the video. Yeah, but I think it turned out so pretty, and this is so me, by the way. You know, I love glam and I love glitter and silver, so I will definitely be using this on my table escape this year. So stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next on the fall series. Also guys, let me know if you like this, if you will be recreating this. Comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.